on, guys? Dust Tech here again today. This is Shane doing a little unboxing of my new keyboard. So let's get right into it. And in case you guys didn't know, this is the Elemental Knives
Karambit Doppler Phase 2.
Yes, that's what it's called. Very nice looking knife. It's sharp. So let's open this puppy up. Oh, don't touch it.
Okay.
I'm doing it all by myself because I'm a big boy now.
Stop it. Get some help.
Some serious unboxing here, people. Okay, let's take this out. Here we go. This is the keyboard, guys.
Get some help. Get some help.
Ooh. Here it is, guys.
Oh my god.
This, I take it, is the
Wrist rest.
wrist rest.
Okay,
Unpackage this. And we're gonna do a typing test and everything in it. Oh man, this is like premium materials. Feel that? That's like real metal right there.
It's kind of like brushed aluminum.
Yeah, it is brushed aluminum. Okay, so guys, this is what it sounds like. And oh my god.
So
This is probably the biggest unboxing we've done in this channel so far.
we haven't done many though.
But so far, this is probably the biggest unboxing.
This will probably be
Okay. This is
the biggest for a while.
Okay, so it's not really like rubber. It's actually more of plastic. But I mean, I guess it works really. It doesn't really matter.
You know what this keyboard reminds me of? It looks like the Corsair, the K65 or the K70. Sorta, with the wrist rest.
This is probably the best
style.
budget key.
Because it's mechanical, it's RGB, and it's
uses
$70.
MX Blue switches.
Cherry MX.
They're not Cherry MX. They're not real.
Oh yeah,
switches.
they're kind of like knockoffs.
They're knockoff keys. It sounds awesome, guys. I mean, it doesn't sound anything like the Cherry MX Blues. Like, if you can notice the difference if you've been using mechanical keyboards for a while now. Here, love it. I love it. You know the best thing to open ever? The most satisfying thing is opening Apple boxes. When you're getting a new Apple phone and you're just sliding that off, you just hold it up and just shake it off, you know. Then pops out this piece of with an Apple and Android logo on it, you know. Android hailing Hitler. I'm very confused how we put this on. I don't really care.
The rest wrist?
I kind of
the
rest wrist. Yes, I want the rest wrist. Kind of do, Owen. Okay, so now we're gonna go plug this into our computer. We'll be right back when we get this into my computer. Here we are with the keyboard plugged in. This looks amazing. I don't think the camera can actually shows how nice this looks right here, guys. It looks great. The font looks a lot like a Razer font here, guys. And this isn't the only color. We have some other ones. Boom, 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 boom. And we have rainbow over here at the end. It's there somewhere. I just don't want to find it. Let's take a look at the different modes. We have this mode, which is really cool, actually. This looks so nice. It's kind of like a snake. No? Wait, let's see what happens. Okay, I think that's it, but... Oh, man. Ooh, that's cool. So when you ever hit a key, it makes like a pulse effect away from it. With different colors. There you go. That's very cool, guys. Now let's go on to the next mode. That is cool. This is just like the rainbow wave, like you'd see on a normal keyboard. Pretty dope, guys. And I love the way these keys sound. And let's move on to the next mode, which is just solid colors after this.
Do the like one key reactive so it doesn't like explode everywhere, but it just does a little reactive.
You make good different ways. Like this, you can change the colors. And then you can just set it to the
gamer, sorta.
And you can probably change the colors of it. No, you can't actually. That's interesting.
Do that one.
Okay, this one's kind of like a cool little wave effect. I like it with that looks very cool right there. And it's all RGB keys. All of them have their own colors. And you can change the keycaps, actually. They have certain keycap sets and stuff like that. I saw some silver ones. I think the silver ones would be really cool, guys. So, if you want to see us use silver ones, I'll order them and I'll try them out on here. You know, this
5 likes.
If we get 10 likes on this, I'll get the silver keys and try them out on this keyboard. This keyboard feels great, guys. The metal right here, it's all real. Let's find out if it's real metal. Wait a minute. No, it's metal, but I mean, it's
brushed
just
aluminum.
It's aluminum, so it doesn't use the magnet for my Apple Watch. I just use it to test what kind of metal it is. This is aluminum. I'm just gonna, we're in. This is very cool, guys.
Turn on OBS.
Why?
Because.
Oh yeah, we're doing. Okay, yeah, we're doing the type.